This is the Conquest and walkthrough video, narrated by Clifton Perry and acted out by Julian Amrine. To begin, the user can press anywhere on the screen to move to the username selection menu. Here, the user enters their desired username and presses Create. The name must not contain any foul language or be over 15 characters, or else the system will not allow this name to be entered. After pressing Create, the user is prompted with their chosen name, at which point they may either change the name and press Create again, or press Start to continue. In the game menu, the user has the option to start a new game, change the settings, exit from the game, or read more about the game's creators. Pressing the New Game button leads the user to the network lobby. Here they can create their own game lobby by entering a name and pressing Create, or pressing List Servers to see whether or not other users are waiting in the lobby for more players. Once in the lobby, users press the button to change the status from Not Ready to Ready. Once all the users in the game lobby have set their status to Ready, the host of the game has the ability to press the Start Game button. In the game, players have the ability to use the chat box to communicate with each other. This game can be hidden by pressing the Hide Chat button. Users can also access the in-game menu at any time by either pressing the Conquest and logo button located in the upper right or pressing the Escape key. This menu allows users to either exit the game to the main menu or adjust the settings. During the first rounds of gameplay, users will go back and forth, turn for turn, pressing the Claim button to allocate available planets until all available planets have been claimed. The user is prompted at the top of the screen to reference whose turn it is and what type of turn it is. Once the first build stage is complete, the build turn begins for each player, in which they can reinforce their claimed planets with the additional armies remaining. Once they have done this, the player ends the turn. Next is the combat stage. During this turn, a player can select one of their own planets which they would like to use, and then an opponent's planet which they would like to attack. They can then commit the number of ships from their planet which they would like to use in the attack, and then press the attack button. The user is moved to a zoomed-in view between the two planets, and has the option to either continue with the attack or retreat. Users can only attack other planets within their respective solar system unless those planets are outer planets, which lie on the outside of the asteroid belt. These outer planets can attack other outer planets, allowing a user to conquer from one system to the next. The move stage allows users to move ships between planets which they control, in order to reinforce the number of ships connected to that planet. The rounds repeat, beginning with another build stage, in which the user is given additional armies with which to add to their controlled planets. Players work their way through the systems, attempting to conquer every planet in every system. Once they have successfully done this, then they have reached the conquest's end and won. After exiting to the main menu, the users have the option to begin a new game, creating another themselves, or looking through other games by pressing List Servers. This concludes the video walkthrough of Conquest's End.